पश्चिम एशिया में जारी तनाव और वैश्विक ऊर्जा बाजार में अनिश्चितता के बीच भारत सरकार ने देश की ऊर्जा सुरक्षा को लेकर स्थिति स्पष्ट की है। केंद्रीय पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्री हरदीप सिंह पुरी ने संसद में बयान देते हुए कहा कि भारत ने युद्ध जैसी परिस्थितियों के बीच भी अपनी ऊर्जा आपूर्ति को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए वैकल्पिक रास्ते तलाशे हैं और देश में पेट्रोल डीजल की कोई कमी नहीं है। संसद में चर्चा के दौरान मंत्री पुरी ने कहा कि भारत ने अन्य देशों की तरह संकट के बीच संतुलित रास्ता खोजने का प्रयास किया है ताकि ऊर्जा आपूर्ति प्रभावित न हो और आम नागरिकों पर इसका असर कम से कम पड़े।
Honorable Speaker, sir, I rise to inform the House of steps taken in response to the disruption of the global energy supplies arising from the ongoing conflict in West Asia. The world has not faced a moment like this in modern energy history. Today is the 13th day since the passage through the Strait of Hormuz, through which 20% of world's crude, 20% of world's natural gas and 20% of the world's LPG flows was disrupted following the military operations between Iran, Israel and the US. For the first time in recorded history, the Strait of Hormuz has been effectively closed to commercial shipping. Despite India having no role in causing the conflict, like many countries, India has to navigate through its consequences. The contrast with how other nations are managing this crisis places India's response in its sharpest relief. A country in our neighborhood has shut all schools for 2 weeks, moved government offices to 4-day work week, ordered 50% of public employees to work from home, cut fuel allowances for official vehicles by half, and taken 60% of government vehicles off the road. This country has experienced the largest single fuel price increase in its history, with petrol up approximately 20% in a week. In another neighbor has closed universities early and brought forward the Eid al-Fitr holiday to save fuel. Countries in Southeast Asia have also had to take energy rationing and conservation measures. Honorable Speaker, sir, India's crude supply position is secure and volumes secured exceed what the Hormuz would have delivered. Before the crisis, approximately 45% of India's crude imports transited through the Hormuz route. Thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister's outstanding diplomatic outreach and goodwill, India has secured crude volumes that exceed what the disrupted Strait of Hormuz could have delivered in the same period. Non-Hormuz sourcing has risen to approximately 70% of crude imports, up from 55% before the conflict began. India sources crude from 40 countries as against 27 in 2006 and 7. This structural diversification, built through sustained policy over successive years, has given us options that other nations find themselves without. Refineries are operating at high capacity utilization. In several cases, they are exceeding 100%. There is no shortage of petrol, diesel, kerosene, ATF or fuel oil. The availability of petrol, diesel, aviation, turbine fuel, kerosene and fuel oil is fully assured. Retail outlets across the country are stocked and supply chains for these products are functioning normally. Additional allocation of PDS kerosene has been issued to all the states. Natural gas supply has been managed through prioritized allocation and the position is stable, well beyond immediate need. India produces approximately 90 million metric standard cubic meters per day of natural gas domestically. A further 30 million metric standard cubic meters per day was previously imported through Gulf sources, now affected by the force majeure declaration of a major Qatari processing facility. The force majeure declaration, the Natural Gas Control Order issued on 9th March 2026 under the Essential Commodities Act established an immediate priority sequence. Domestic pipe gas goes to homes and CNG for vehicles receives 100% supply with no cuts. Industrial and manufacturing consumers will receive upon 80% of their previous 6 months average.
आज हम इस कार्यक्रम में आपसे विदा लेते हैं। आप अन्य खबरों के लिए बने रहे। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, वंदे मातरम, जाग उठा है भारत।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।